Find the oxidation numbers for each element in these compounds. Offer SO2, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur no electronegative value for sulfur is 2.5. Oxygen 3.5. A kyerɛ say oxygen no ɛho den kyɛn sulfur no. Enti oxygen ne sulfur na bond no, oxygen twe electrons ba no ho more than sulfur. Enti oxygen be carry minus charge. Na sulfur na yɛ plus charge. Enti wohwɛ SO2 no mu na oxygen no regular oxygen. Enti oxidation number no be say -2. Sulfur no yenim enti o say calculate. Te be S ai gyina ho ma sulfur plus oxygen no yo mahudo 2 2 atoms of oxygen. Te be 2 times -2. -2 ni free fa na by -2 ni free oxidation state of oxygen no. Oxidation state for oxygen here -2 equal to 0. 0 ni free fa na by SO2 no a neutral atom. Neutral atom bia no is equal to 0. Into S minus 2 times -2 is -4. We algebra near no equal to 0. Into person we -4 ni free why S or the 4 eka afane afa. Tebe S minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0 plus 4. -4 ebetwa 4 mu. The obenya ni say S no is plus 4. Into sulfur no oxidation state for sulfur SO2 mo is plus 4. Yenko NO. Nitrogen electronegative value about 3.0. Oxygen said the edika hono 3.5. Oxygen no ahoɔden so. Into oxygen na ahoɔden so a ebetwe electrons bebre abanen chain than nitrogen. Eba ne saa oxygen ebenya den minus charge. Na nitrogen na den plus charge. What I say? Enti no ebeye N plus oxygen oxidation state is -2 because we are regular oxygen equal to 0 because NO is a neutral compound. Charge be ni na pampa mu ha into a neutral there is equal to 0. Tebe N -2 equal to 0. Yeni -2 in front. Tebe N -2 plus 2 equal to 0 plus 2. -2 ebetwa plus 2 mu into nitrogen net oxidation state ebe plus 2. Yanko carbon dioxide CO2. Carbon less electronegative than oxygen. Into a shall say again oxygen is more electronegative. It will have a minus charge. Into carbon plus 2 atoms of oxygen -2 equal to 0. 2 no ena a shall say no. And a -2 no if oxygen ni oxidation state ni mu na free by 0 no if the fact say CO2 a neutral compound. Tebe C minus 4 equal to 0. -4 no mathematics 2 times -2 ebema -4. Into C -4 plus 4 equal to 0 plus 4. We chemistry by I know mass. The carbon is equal to plus 4. It shall say CO2 no oxidation number for carbon is plus 4. Oxygen is -2. Okay? How about NH3? Opa, pause video no. Let's solve it. So we the same answer. Anytime hydrogen is bonded to a non-metal, hydrogen will have an oxidation number of plus 1. Okay? Nitrogen is a non-metal. Into hydrogen no oxidation number be plus 1. To be N plus 3 atoms of plus 1. 3 ne if we have by 3 hydrogens no plus 1. It is equal to 0. It's equal to 0 because NH3 a neutral compound. It be N plus 3 times 1 is 3 equal to 0. If you see plus 3 in the free, we will sabon so I also the -3 ebeka afami no left and right and tebe nitrogen plus 3 minus 3 equal to 0 minus 3. Into nitrogen nitrogen will be equal to -3. Into NH3 no Nitrogen ni oxidation number ni yesen -3. Hydrogen oxidation number ni yesen +1. How about NaH? Anytime biana hydrogen will be bonded to a metal, what did I say? Hydrogen will have oxidation number of -1. Oh, trick, you know. First, I say anytime hydrogen is bonded to a non-metal, hydrogen will have an oxidation number of +1. Sodium is a metal, into hydrogen is -1. Into everyone say you name sodium no, Na plus -1 equal to 0 because NaH is a neutral compound. Na -1 equal to 0. If you say -1 free, yes, abonkum so fa 1 eka osanifa ene osabonkum ni na so tebe Na -1 plus 1 equal to 0 plus 1. -1 plus 1 ebetwam. To binya Na equal to 0 plus 1 is plus 1. Enti NaH, sodium Na, oxidation number is +1. Hydrogen, oxidation number is -1. Adentia, because hydrogen is bonded to a metal, which is sodium. CH4, carbon is a non-metal. So guess what the oxidation number for hydrogen will be? Okay, so +1. What can I say? What? Into carbon plus your hydrogen hold 1.4 H4. To 4 times bracket means times. Into hydrogen oxidation number is +1. Now they share bracket in equal to 0 because CH4 is a neutral compound. Charge beer in a pampam ho into a neutral. Charge beer anywhere is equal to 0. C plus 4 times 1 is 4 equal to 0. Ope so you 4 ni free unsa bonkum so fa te 4 e free unsa bonkum ene unsa ni fa so. To benya C plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0 minus 4. Plus 4 any minus 4 as all the ka 4. What the ka 4 series no akwa kutua 4 series e won the ka bim te betwam. The C is equal to 0 minus 4 is -4. And it say carbon and C no ne oxidation state is -4. Hydrogen ne oxidation state is +1. Yanko BH3. BH3 B ni gina ho ma boron, H ni ye hydrogen. Boron is non-metal. Hydrogen and say non-metal. Any edika kacho say aha area chemistry about them no. Edika kacho say when hydrogen is bonded to a non-metal, hydrogen will have an oxidation state of +1. But aha tricky. Boron one shadanya metal, what is it? But electronegative values of boron are 2.0, hydrogen 2.1. So say hydrogen and what the kakre bi boron enti bond na share between boron and hydrogen. Hydrogen it may more electrons to itself. Eba sa hydrogen no ebenya hydrogen be more negative than boron. Nti the basis say Rebecca say hydrogen will now have oxidation number of -1. Boron plus 3 times -1 equal to 0. Boron 3 times -1 now say -3 equal to 0. Now boron is equal to +3. Nti oxidation state for boron is +3. Hydrogen is -1. Yanko BrCl₃. Halogens. Halogens are yeka fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Omu nyina no oxidation state of -1. But ohia bromine and chlorine omu na halogens inti does it mean say bromine so be -1, chlorine be -1 ana? Dabi. Yanko electronegative values no. Bromine is 2.8. Chlorine is 3.0. Inti tell say chlorine ho odin. The chlorine ho odin a obetwe electrons no every bromine mu inti -1 no ye de be ma chlorine adentia because chlorine holding. And the banasa, you best solve for bromine. Chebe Br plus your 3 atoms of chlorine. Ewaha Cl3, not just say 3 atoms of chlorine. Chebe 3 times minus 1 equal to 0. Br minus 3 equal to 0. That means all the 3 minus 3 in the column and first cross equal to sana. Eba be positive. The Br is equal to plus 3. And the shall say BrCl3 no. Br na say bromine no oxidation state is plus 3 and a chlorine is minus 1. What I say? Awesome. Enti ne krakrakra I watch video wim and then the krakra I watch additional wim ni say hydrogen e bonded to non-metal eba be plus 1 e bonded to ade metal dade e wo periodic table ni so a ne oxidation state no hydrogen no eba be minus 1. Halogens chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine omo oxidation state ni is minus 1. What I say? Ena se wohwe periodic table ni so a obetimi ede omo electronegative values no aboaw amotime decide say hina na ne hoden na de ne hoden no ebenya minus charge de ne honye de no eba be positive. What I say? Mo me da so ne masua de ne so wani agi ene addition ho na wasua bibia free mu a mesrawo subscribe.
Think, learn